Good afternoon. We would like to welcome you to Citadel Watch. The Omega Poseidon is an elegant men's watch from the world-famous Swiss brand Omega. This watch combines outstanding design and high-quality craftsmanship, making it an excellent choice for stylish men with exquisite taste. The material of the watch case is stainless steel, which gives it durability and reliability. The case size is 44 mm, making the watch modern and suitable for most wrists. The watch is equipped with a mineral glass, which provides reliable protection for the dial from scratches and damage. The bracelet is made of high-quality leather, which gives the watch a unique style and comfort when worn. The movement of the watch is mechanical and it has a power reserve of up to 34 hours. This means that it will tell the time accurately over a long period of time without the need for frequent winding. The Omega Poseidon watch is water-resistant at the splash-proof level, which allows it to be worn in everyday situations, but it is not recommended to submerge it in water. The dial of the watch is in excellent condition, with no visible damage. They provide hour and minute display functions, making them reliable and practical. The overall appearance and condition of the Omega Poseidon watches are rated as excellent, with no visible damage and excellent preservation. This watch will be a great addition to your look and will emphasize your personality and style. Good shopping and have a great day.